Hi everyone, in this episode of D.O.W, I'll show you the best dashcam clips of 2025. If you like my channel, subscribe to my channel and like this video. Let's start.
Window down. What's the point in pulling out on me when there's nothing behind me, you shit? Pay attention, head.
That's not safe, is it?
Smoke out the movie.
Whoa, whoa, ew.
Oh my god.
My what?
Whoa, 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 whoa! Bam, 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 bam.
Yeah, one car. Oh my god. Oh. About to see a wreck. About to see a wreck. Oh, it didn't happen. Wow. So, this fucking Camry's crazy. So, a Camry, like, I'm in the third lane out of 5 lanes. There's a. This guy's gonna. I've got this all on dash cam right now. Okay, so. Oh. I'm calling the police, man. I got it on video, dude. Hi. Someone's road raging with me, and he followed me. He's brake checked me a couple of times. He followed me off my on ramp. He is going the other way now. I do have this all in video, by the way. I don't know if.
Oh my god.
What?
You didn't see that behind us?
No. Was there a crash?
Look, yes.
Oh my god.
People have speculated on how to make topsoil out of Marshall dirt for decades. I'll just be putting it to the test. Supplies and found all sorts of things that I can plant. Peas, for instance.
Christ.
Bike lane. It's a bike lane, man. But you can't. It's illegal, man. Yeah, but I don't have distance to brake. Okay, it's illegal. It's illegal.
You were far behind me.
Well, I wasn't. If I got up, if I had to brake, that I skidded. I did. I don't have to. It's the law, man. The bike leads. There's bikes behind you. Okay.
Like,
It's
yeah, and I don't want you to stress my car.
well. I want to live.
And I went
So obey the law,
oh my
and everything's gonna be okay.
incredible. You realize this is why people get into arguments with bikers, or why bikers
Why?
get assaulted.
Why
This
so?
actually
So you
happened.
cut me off.
I didn't cut you off. I was trying to get around the car, and I was like moving into a turn.
It's illegal to do that. Don't you understand? It's illegal, man.
Okay. I made a mistake.
There you
Don't
go.
hit my car.
I just tapped so you know I'm right next to you because I had no distance to brake, and there was a curb full of people. It was me hitting other people or hitting your car.
I definitely wasn't going fast enough.
Well, you weren't, but I was. That's why I'm saying. If you're gonna merge in a bike lane, just watch.
I wasn't
Because
moving
I-
fast enough, but you were moving fast enough. I mean, you could have slowed down. There's logic there.
Yeah, I wasn't expecting you to turn in the bike lane, which you shouldn't.
You were well behind me when I started.
Man,
You were well behind.
so what? I was well behind you.
That-
If
that
I'm not
means
expecting,
that you could have
if I'm
slowed
not,
down.
yeah, because I didn't
You
know.
chose not to.
I did not know you're gonna turn into a bike lane. So how else should I expect you to do something illegal?
What you did was actually
Oh,
illegal.
yeah.
What I did
What?
was not.
So if I have no distance
No,
to brake,
If I saw that you were close, I wouldn't have done that.
I had no
saw that
distance
you
to
were-
brake. Don't you understand?
You had
Because I
no
was not expecting you to turn into a bike lane.
good point.
Well, I didn't. You can ask all the people that were over there. Good luck being on YouTube.